Lazy people aren't weak. They're disconnected from meaning. Think about it. When someone truly cares about something, they find a way. When they don't, they find excuses. Laziness isn't a character flaw. It's a signal, a sign that purpose has gone missing. We've been taught to see discipline as punishment, cold showers, early mornings, forcing yourself to suffer. But the Stoics never framed discipline that way. Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, Seneca. They didn't believe in self-hatred. They believed in self-command. To them, discipline wasn't about being hard on yourself. It was about honoring yourself. Discipline is self-respect in action. Most people build their lives around motivation. They wait until they feel ready, until they feel confident, until they feel inspired. But motivation is emotional, and emotions are unstable. You don't feel motivated every day to brush your teeth. You don't feel inspired to charge your phone. You do it because you respect the outcome. Discipline works the same way. It doesn't ask how you feel. It asks who you want to become. Motivation says, I'll act when it feels good. Discipline says, I'll act because it's right. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, you have power over your mind, not outside events. That idea alone can change your life. You can't control how people treat you. You can't control luck, timing, or outcomes. You can't control whether today will be easy or hard. But you can control how you respond. You can control your effort. You can control whether you show up. Epictetus broke life into two categories: what's up to you and what isn't. Peace comes from focusing relentlessly on the first category and letting go of the second. That focus is discipline. Discipline feels uncomfortable because it exposes you. Every time you skip a promise to yourself, you reinforce an identity of avoidance. Every time you keep a promise, you build trust with yourself. And trust is everything. Most people don't lack talent. They lack self-trust. They don't believe their future self will follow through. Discipline repairs that relationship. Ask yourself this honestly. If someone you cared about deeply kept sabotaging their potential, would you encourage it? Then why do it to yourself? Self-respect isn't loud confidence. It's quiet consistency. It's going to bed knowing you didn't betray yourself today, even if progress was small, especially if progress was small. The Stoics didn't chase extremes. They chased alignment. So start small. Smaller than your ego wants. One daily ritual, one non-negotiable, a 10-minute walk, 1 page of writing, 5 push-ups, 1 intentional breath before reacting. Do it every day. Not because you feel like it, because that's who you are now. Discipline compounds quietly. What feels insignificant today becomes identity tomorrow. Discipline isn't control for control's sake. It's freedom from chaos, freedom from impulse, freedom from regret, freedom from constantly starting over. When you practice discipline, you're telling yourself, my life matters. My future matters. I matter. Don't wait for motivation. Build rituals. Choose one small act of discipline today and repeat it tomorrow. That's how self-respect is built. That's how meaning returns. That's how you become unshakable. Thanks for watching. If this video made you pause, question, or see things differently, then it did its job. Feel free to explore more ideas here, and as always, keep thinking.